At least 70 people are likely to have been killed in a series of tornadoes that hit Kentucky and other US states on late Friday evening and early Saturday, said Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear. He added that Kentucky was nearing the end of the most severe tornado event and the death toll could probably end up closer to 70 to 100. Bureau Report Siasat.com.
We are nearing the end of the most severe tornado event in Kentucky's history. Multiple tornadoes have touched down, and we have damage in, I believe, over a dozen Kentucky counties. The primary tornado was on the ground continuously for over 200 miles in our state, something we have never seen before. We have deaths in multiple, possibly many counties. The hardest hit county appears to be Graves, where the city of Mayfield has been devastated. Sitting here today, and this is before daybreak, we believe our death toll from this event will exceed 50 Kentuckians, probably end up closer to 70 to 100 lost lives. Remember, each of these are children of God, irreplaceable to their families and to their communities. But we will make it through this. We will rebuild. We are strong, resilient people.